Sit down. Well, we didn't get anything today. We didn't even see any deer. I thought the snow was gonna bring them down, but looks like it didn't. All right, go ahead. Did you hit the top right one? Oh, I think it's it.
See it?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, right there.
See it, right?
Yep.
Okay, she's... Oh, yeah, she's down.
There, she's going down.
She is
Awesome.
Oh, shit.
Just got a call from my dad saying he got an elk. Now I'm running as fast as I can up to go help him get it down. Yeah, dude, I was at work. Called me. Oh, look at those deer. But yeah, dude, we filled our tag. I was so happy for him. Came up here multiple times. Didn't see any until one big snowstorm came and hit, and he finally got one. That was like 4:30. But let's go get it.
Tell me the story.
This is a very... This is a reward after what? Summer,
That's right.
falls and winter, trying to track her down to see where they're at. Finally, we found her.
Oh, nice.
This is such a reward. Awesome. Thanks, Michael.
Yeah. What?
You are a big help.
Oh, you're good. All right. Tell me how you found her.
Okay. Let's see. We found her when we're sitting and watching about 1,000 yards away, and all of a sudden we saw a whole group of maybe 5, and we start hiking down and trying to go after them, and we did, and I took a shot about 250 yards, and she dropped.
Well,
So,
you have to mention what we saw this morning too.
yeah.
No cows.
Oh yeah, we saw like 40 bulls, big bulls, and we saw 2 about 200 yards away, and so what disappointed was no cow, all bulls, and it was, I mean, it's just a, I don't know what to say. Why the cow and not with the bulls? But now we found all the cow and no bulls. So I don't know why, but we finally found them. We finally got them.
Nice. That was an awesome shot.
Nice.
Awesome
shot.
Only went a couple yards and died.
Yep. Yeah.
Perfect.
She drops what? Maybe 10 yards,
Yeah.
and that's it.
Perfect.
Good shot.
Yep.
Good gun. And good hunter.
Perfect.
I'm glad to see you guys. Yeah. Yeah, I rushed up here. Nathan! I took it for a journey. I got 3. Yep.
Nice to see you, brother.
Congrats!
Thanks. It's a big one.
Woo!
There she is. Hey, young man. Come on, young man. We had lunch with us.
Yeah.
So, and then we're hiking down this way. And Michael and I thinking they might come up this way because we saw all that tracks underneath. So we hiked all the way down and sat on top and watched for a while. At least 2 hours.
The whole herd or just this one?
And then we saw a bunch of bulls. And then about 3 o'clock, right? Somewhere around 3 o'clock or so. And all of a sudden I saw a group of 5 of them on this side.
Yeah.
So we hurried and dropped down from the top, cutting across.
Yeah.
And we got really close, well, about 250 yards.
That's not far.
Yeah, I don't want to, I don't want to come any closer because I might spook, we might, we might spook them.
Yeah.
So I took a shot. Hey, why you have your sled upside down? Huh? Hey, young man.
Hey, told you the gun's on point.
Hey, Nathan, this is Michael.
Thank you.
Nathan, my youngest.
I got some Powerade. Do you need some?